Hey guys, Richard here from Car Sound Security. What we got today here is a Mercedes C-Class 2007, and what we've done is we've fully retrofitted in a brand new Android tablet type screen onto this car. And as you can see, it's nicely installed, full custom done. And yeah, so this unit it's a full Android unit, so allows you to do multiple stuff such as download apps from the Play Store. You can watch YouTube, you can use navigation, you've got all the apps you can use. You've got built-in radio, yeah, Bluetooth. You can do anything you want on this tablet. Yes, if you want something like this retrofitted onto your car, give us a shout on 0208 554 554, or even message us on Instagram or in the comments down below, guys. Thank you.